All right, guys, today I'm going to show you an amazing Claude Co-Work SEO automation strategy that's getting these kind of results. As you can see, this growth is kind of crazy. Here's another one. Look at this growth. They're all doing this strategy. I mean, this one has over 6,000 organic traffic, tons of AI citations. These AI citations are growing. Here's this growth, crazy, over 1,000. And this is done in just a couple of months of doing this strategy. So today I'm going to go over the results, which I just did, the tools needed, the actual strategy, show you how to fully automate your social media with Claude, how to set it up with the prompt, and then the bonus of the full SEO and content automation, kind of pulling all of this together. The tools that I'm using, of course, is Claude Co-Work. I'm using the desktop version, which you can use that, or you can use it in like Visual Studio Code or Cursor. I'm using Blotato for the social media automation and publication. And then I'm using the powerhouse Arvow for your SEO and LL tracking and citation tracker. Lots of tools in here from an SEO standpoint. This is the game-changing piece of this with Claude. All three of these together are a powerhouse that's going to replace entire teams and literally save you thousands of hours per month doing this strategy passively, which is kind of crazy. So here's what the strategy is that this workflow is going to help you with, that you're going to build out in Claude, what it's going to do. So basically, it's going to analyze all of your competitors that you have, and if it's local, it's going to analyze your local competitors, kind of see what they're doing, analyze their websites, analyze their content, find gaps, find what they're doing that is working really well, find things that's not working, find gaps, things that they're not doing right, and then from there, it's going to target the bottom of the funnel, high search intent content, keywords, titles for content, all of those things. So it's going to target that stuff. And then what it's going to do is it's going to send you a list of a report basically targeting those keywords, targeting the blog content that you should be producing. It's going to drive traffic. It's going to start causing you to show in AI citations because it is targeting those bottom of the funnel searches. So why this works, kind of another example to bring this all home, is you have a funnel, of course, and top of the funnel content and then bottom of the funnel content. This is where the money is made. The bottom of the funnel searches, the bottom of the funnel content. This is where you want to show up in your searches. So this is more specific high search intent content. And this is what AI overviews like so much. They don't want to send people to generic broad content. They want to send it to specific content, giving the customer solutions, giving the clients solutions. So top of the funnel, in terms of like e-commerce would be like running shoes. It's very broad. Someone's doesn't really know what type of running shoes they want. They're not close to a buying decision. The bottom of the funnel would be like running shoes for people over 40 with sore backs, right? Very specific. So if you have a running shoe company and you want to sell these running shoes to people over 40 with sore backs, this is what you're going to create content around. The top running shoes for people over 40, the top running shoes for people with sore backs, and then you can kind of combine the two and how the running shoes help with different parts of the back, different things. So this is what the prompt is going to enable you to do in Claude, and it does so well. The analysis on your competitors and the analysis on your business as well, because I forgot to mention that it's going to analyze your competitors. It's also going to analyze your business, kind of see what you're doing and your products, your services as well, kind of work that in the equation. And then we're going to hook this up to Arvow's API, and it's going to send this information to them. They're going to create these amazing blog articles targeting these bottom of the funnel searches, and it's going to also be able to include your business assets. So the nice thing about Arvow is you can include your business assets, your knowledge base, your website, photos, videos, anything that you want to include. So it's using AI to create the articles, but also using your brand assets. So it's not going to be AI garbage. It's not going to be junk. It's going to be highly specific to your brand, highly specific to these searches, and high quality, super SEO optimized articles with all the SEO bells and whistles. You're not going to be copying and paste. As a pushback I get is like, oh, you could just create this stuff in Claude. Sure, you can, but you're going to have to literally copy and paste and recreate all the back-end SEO, the alt text, the meta descriptions, H3s, H2s, all that stuff you're going to have to manually do, which you don't have to do. And you're using the two, the Claude brain and then the Arvow's structure and brain as well, because it was made for SEO optimization. So it's going to create this stuff. It's going to automatically send to Arvow to create, and then it's going to automatically post to your website because you can link it to Arvow as well. And then what the workflow does is it pulls, because you're creating these blogs, so you have an RSS feed. It's pulling that RSS feed, creating amazing social media content based on your RSS feed, which up to this point is bottom of the funnel search, high search intent, high quality content. So you already did the SEO work. So now we're just going to leverage it in a different way for social media content. So it's going to create the social media posts for you and then send them over to Blotato to schedule and post to your social media channels. Everything is SEO optimized, and you're getting, more bang for your buck because you're already leveraging what you're already doing across more channels. So this is how we create it. Now, so now let's go through how to set this up and the actual prompt that you're going to use. So here is the prompt that you're going to use. Just type prompt below and I'll send you a link to get this, or you can screenshot it. So here's the prompt, and this is everything we went over. It gives it a role, gives it the business context about your business. It's doing a competitive analysis on your competition. It's doing a blog title and keyword generation, and that's creating the content generation pipeline in Arvow, and then it's pulling your RSS feed for social media content. Here you can have it create visuals for you, or pull the images from the blog articles, or have Blotato create amazing graphic images too. It can do that as well. So there's multiple different ways for the image creation, and then publishing and scheduling in Blotato, and then quality control. So this is all the workflow. So you want to copy and paste this inside of Claude and create this as a skill. So Claude has Co-Work now. So this is where you can create skills. So if you go up here, they have chat, which is just like a normal chat. I mean, you can do it in here too. Here's code. This is for more advanced stuff. And then Co-Work is what we're going to be working in to set up your skills. So you can go in here and basically just copy and paste, and it'll start creating it as a skill. Or you can do the front slash and then you do skill. So skill creator, hit enter, and then you paste it in so it specifically knows that you wanted to create a skill. I already have this created. Once it's created, you can just type it in and it's SEO content autopilot. So I have this set up. I just hit enter and include my website URL, and it'll run it for that website URL. It'll run the content analysis, and then it'll output the information. So what you're going to need to do is copy and paste that skill in there to get it started. And then it's going to ask you for your API keys for Arvow and for Blotato. So it'll run everything, but it won't obviously pop anything out into Arvow or Blotato until you give it the API keys. So here's how you get those. So I go into Arvow, and then I would do blog automation, integrations here, create new integration, and then you would click API. So it will need that API. And then the other thing that you're gonna have to do is set up an integration for your website, because it's gonna send it to Arvow, and then it's gonna send it to your website. So it's gonna be fully automated, which is really nice. And here's an example of it in play. Here's an article, and here's kind of how it works, kind of the back end. So you could do this manually through Arvow. You can go in here, SEO article, type the keyword, type the title, add it, and then click generate, and it'll create the article manually that way. We're doing it all fully automated. So once it fully automates it, you can see if you go into generations, you can see here's like different articles that it created. But if I open up one of these for lawn service in Miami, you can open it up further, kind of see what this does from an SEO standpoint. And this is why this is next level, because it's using your brand assets, but it also has the inner workings of all the SEO that you want, meta description, alt text. And these are set up for AI overviews, AI citations. So these articles are written for that purpose, for SEO, for AI overviews. Here's an included embedded YouTube video. You can include your own. You can go and set up an article template here with your tone of voice. You can set up your knowledge base, so you can connect it to your website. So it's pulling in all that information, the structure, call to action, internally linked to your sitemap, so it'll link to your other pages, which is really good from an SEO standpoint. It'll external link to trusted sources. You can include your images, or it'll create them for you, videos as well. The other cool thing that this has, going back to the AI citations here, is, and this is kind of a bonus for you guys, is it has analytics for LLM brand monitors. So you can set up a monitor, a brand new monitor here to monitor your citations. So you can pull in your website, it'll automatically give some prompts that it monitors. So if we go to here's like SEMrush, just to kind of give you an idea, it automatically added these prompts. So these are basically what people are typing into ChatGPT, Perplexity. These are where you want to show up so you can make sure that you're visible in AI citations. And if you're not, you can produce more content around these prompts, around these queries to get seen more and more. And so not only doing this, but also doing the strategy with the content and the SEO is going to help boost your traffic and your AI citations all together. So that's how this is set up. And then again, this pushes to your website, publishes automatically once you have that set up. The next part is Blotato. So it's going to ask you for your Blotato API key. So what it does, here is all of a month's worth of content. I did this all through this workflow, through Claude, through Blotato. So Claude is pulling my RSS feed, it's creating this content, and then automatically scheduling it to post through Blotato. So if you go into Blotato